Hey everyone, Joe Shap here, and today I have a video on a rail network that I built in a new factory game called StarRupture. You may have heard people say that this game uses a pull system rather than a push system for moving items around, and you'll notice by playing the game that the behavior is very different from other factory games such as Satisfactory. Calling it a pull system and naming it, though, doesn't fully provide you an intuitive understanding of how this all works. But watching this video will give you that deeper understanding and will help you make use of the strengths of the system. This is a new channel, so liking and subscribing really helps. But let's get into it. So what I have here is a single connected rail network that has on it every single item that I'm currently able to make. So you can see here I have a cargo receiver with titanium. I have the same for wolfram, calcium, and helium. And then, so I pass this in to some smelters, make my titanium bars, pass the bars in to make all of the items that you can make with titanium bars, like titanium beams. But I also pass the bars forward. And then similarly, right here, I'm making something out of beams and sheets to make housing. But I'm also passing forward those beams and sheets so that they can be used later if desired. And so what I want to show you is at the end of the chain, I have this storage depot, and it has all of these items available. So any item that I'm currently even able to make, I actually am making, and it's available here. There is actually one exception because I recently unlocked a new recipe, the synthetic silicon, and I am not currently making it, so it's not currently available. But when I select this, and you'll see the rail network is currently nothing's running because everything is full. Everything has 100. But once I select synthetic silicon, it's going to start requesting calcium powder, helium, and ceramics. You can see the helium's coming through there. And we'll see pretty quickly, everything just starts flowing from wherever it can be made from. I'm using the Rail V2, so I can do 240 items per minute. Not everything's being produced at that rate, but when they're sitting around with a machine with 100 of each item, it will initially go at that rate. And boom, we're starting to make some synthetic silicon, and now my storage depot has a new item available. Oh, I'm not passing in the output. And now we can see synthetic silicon is an available option. The reason that I put every single item on one network is not necessarily because this is the most efficient thing to do. It's definitely not. It can be useful to have easy access to every item, but the real reason is that it really highlights the capabilities and strengths of this pull system. This would be really hard, like it just wouldn't work with a push system like Satisfactory, where all of these, if these were conveyor belts in a game like Satisfactory, the machines would all just push the items right out. They would all mix together, and the inputs would get blocked. But in the pull system, everything just pulls whatever it needs. The rail system manages things itself for how things get mixed together, and it all just kind of works. Now, the one downside you'll notice, you probably have noticed accidentally, is like if I were to suddenly delete this, these items would have nowhere to go, and my rail system would now be blocked, and then these will start beeping, and you have to take them off to get the rail system to be functioning again. All right, that's everything I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.